how to turn on save posted video automatically to your phone on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open and you go down and open your profile, then you go up at the top of the screen and click on this three line and then go to settings. After settings guys, go to account and click, then go to down and click on original posts, and here you will find the third option, save posted videos, and you will turn on this option by clicking at the right here like this, and that's it. It's done for you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question, write it down in comments, and see you next video.